Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Deepan Tutorials Bright Future. I am your Ganesh, Senior Biomedical Engineer. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Ganesh. I completed the graduation and post graduation in biomedical engineering, and I have experience in biomedical engineering field nearly more than 13 years, and I reached my target today. I want to become a biomedical engineer. Today I reached it, and still I have aim in my life. I am trying to reach all things, everything, because of till now whatever I achieved, all things, and whatever I am thinking about my future, about my life, whatever things today I succeed in my life. Today I leading the senior biomedical engineer position in this society, competitive society. Yes. So especially you know about me all things. Yes or no? You know about me who I am. Because of last year, 2 years back, I created the YouTube channel that is Ganesh SBME Special Advisor. So all are well supported, and now monetization everything is okay, and everyone watching, and many upcoming biomedical engineers also connected with me. So I am very happy to discuss with you all things, friends. Yes, because of in our human being, as a human being, we have to grow in such a position, great position, that is only possible with a good basic education, friends. Yes, I hope you can understand my words, friends. Yes. So today I created the YouTube channel Ganesh SBM Special Advisor, that is very helpful to every engineers, and many people are asking all things. So that purpose I am very happy to give you all things. Yes. So I am your Ganesh, senior biomedical engineer, and today I created the one channel, that is YouTube channel. YouTube channels. One is Ganesh SBM Special Advisor, because of whenever settled in our life, whenever we got a life, good life in our life. So that is the inspirative to youngsters and youth, all peoples. And at the same time, same way, I want to inspire with all people's upcoming generations. So for that purpose, I started the tuition with the recommendation of all parents and students, fathers, mothers, and society categories, whatever they are observing me. Yes, you have to do tuition to my students, to my children, because of I hope if I give you my children, definitely they will have a bright future. They are thinking about me. Yes, friends. So they are thinking about me. So in that way, many times I observing all things. So I focus all things, and last year I created the tuition also. So why I'm saying all things, because of this is the first introduction about my channel. This Deepan Tutorials Bright Future, that is we are doing both my madam, my missus and me. So both we have started the tuition. Deepan Tutorials have a bright future, that is most important, because of see nowadays tuition is most important to everyone, and the competitive society. In this competitive society, everyone running and fast and growing all things. Yes or no? So we have to follow the instructions, whatever coming into our world, whatever the sophisticated things, we have to focus on this. Yes or no? If you know all things also, still we have more information about the educational life. Yes. Yes, come to the point, friends. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and subscribe my channel, and keep watching my channel and support me, because of this is the second channel. First channel, you all people supported me, because of I have well educated and educate all peoples. Today I have proven myself in the society. Today I am doing job as a biomedical engineer in the government of India. So that is credit goes to teachers. Okay. So first of all, we start the session with prayer. Okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. This prayer is most important to everyone, because of see education is the one of the part, and at the same time we have to give the respect to the teachers. Yes or no? So for this purpose, especially my opinion is to create the channel, YouTube channel, these all things, because of recommended. Yes, you so please guide the children, because of my children should be like you, should become a biomedical engineer, should become a doctor, should become a lawyer, should become a businessman. should become a good position in her life or in his life. Yes or no? So these are recommendations I got all things in last year. So I started there from one student, but whatever I want to do, everything with discipline, everything, because of, see, if I want to start, that is only systematically, then only it will be reach successful position. I hope, because of I followed all instructions from the teachers, lecturers, all things, and experienced seniors. And today I am leading as a senior. I am supporting to all my juniors, everything. Yes, friends. Yes. I hope you can listen my voice, friends. Yes. Yes. Let me continue. Okay, fine. So come to the point. So in this channel, Deepan Tutorials, Bright Future. So tuition. So tuition is most important because of nowadays competitive society in our school life. So a lot of students, lot of education system is applicable in the competitive society. So very lack of time. Yes. So very lack of that much time. So but we have to get the good information from the teachers. So the not enough time. That's why tuition is most important. Wherever not getting the good information from the teachers and not available. So definitely we have to procure all things from the teachers. So whatever I have experienced in my life, based on my experiences, qualifications, and all things, and because of my profession is biomedical engineering, but actually my aim is to become a good teacher, professor. Aim is this one, and ambition is biomedical engineering field. I just I want to become a specialist of biomedical engineering. Today I reached, and today I got that much profession in my life. So I hope so. I was actually in this way. What's my tuition system? Deepan Tutorials, Bright Future. So in Deepan Tutorials, what are the things available? I'm going to explain you, friends, because of, see, whoever want to start the tuition, so definitely these things are most important. Then automatically grow in the competitive society. If hundreds of tuitions are available in the competitive society, then you will become a good teacher. You will become a good institute, like that. From one student to 30 students, it will be happen. How much happen? How it will be happen? So everything depend on our talent, depend on preference, presentation, depend on our knowledge, depend on our basic education, depend on guidance. So all things are most important. So for that purpose, based on me, these are all things I created. This is things tuition protocol. See this here. This is I created all things which is important, which is required to become a good position. Every student, for every student, Bright Future, this tuition is open, and when it is completed, this one is me and my missus. So she is Miss Deepanjali Devi. So she is very excellent to have a great knowledge. When I observed after 1 year, I fixed about her person. So that's why we started. So everything today we are going. Both we are going and we get success, and many students are coming, and many students have a bright future through this tuition. Yes. So in this tuition, what are the things available? First of all, in this tuition, normally tuition means everybody knows. Okay, teacher come and go and explain whatever things next 1 hour, daily 1 hour. These are things only. Many students, parents thinking about this. But in our tuition, Deepan Tutorials is the something peculiar way in our life. Yes, because of, see, education is the most important in our life. I know. That's why I utilized, and today I reached my position as a senior biomedical engineer with less time. Because if you maintain the proper discipline, systematical education life, definitely we will get a good position. Because of when we are studying from basic level, from 1 to 10th class, if you maintain a good education, then definitely you will have a bright future. After 10th class, definitely you will get a good position in your life. After 10th class, at least you will have capable to reach your targets and everything. Yes or no? Yes. So I hope you can understand, friends. In this video, what I am going to say, because of the tutorials, tuition, what is the tuition? What's my tuition? Because of I already started. After 1 year completed successfully. So we achieved 30 students. From 1 student to 30 students. It's not easy. So that's why whoever want to start the tuition, for those peoples, this video is dedicated to all peoples, especially whoever want to start the tuition at home. Yes. So everything. First of all, in this tuition, see here, 3 pages I created. So these are things, because of If person is good, then how will we decide? Because of, see, today I am a biomedical engineer. How became a biomedical engineer? Because of many nights, many hard works, many efforts I kept in that way. I implement many things and acknowledge the teachers guidance, all things, and daily attendance, daily college, everything I done properly. That's why today I achieved these things. Because of without doing hard work, we cannot get anything. Yes or no? We know everything. Yes, come to the point. Okay. Okay. See here, friends. Students, bright future. This one. Our tuition rule is first one. See here. Understand? Tutorials main concept. Tutorials powerful intention. Tuition rights, rules and regulations, tuition timings, tuition time activities, tuition fees details, tuition leaves details, and tuition punishment details, tuition appreciation details, and tuition do's and don't do's. See here, you can see here, yes. So these all system are required or not? Many students, many people are thinking, no need sir. This much why who follow this all instructions? No. Because of we are very rich people and we are something is there. So if you are rich also, you are not rich in education. That's why you are sending the student to the tuition. Yes or no? Because if you have if you have a lot of money, no use. If you have a good education, definitely we will get all things. Understand? We don't need to follow all ways. Only we follow the good education. Okay. So in this education, because of see these all things, if you implement all things, and I already implemented in my tuition. That is Deepanjali tutorials, bright future. Understand? Because the basic education is the most important to every student in upcoming generation. Even if you qualified the engineering, diploma, BTech, MTech, and become any business field, any field that very important, that is the good education. Yes friends. So about the Deepanjali tutorials, today I take a few minutes. Okay, don't feel bad. So these are things. See, main concept, what are things? Tutorials, main concept. What is this friends? Tutorials, main concept. In my tuition, Deepanjali tutorials. So what are happening? Students should be in discipline. Understand? First of all, students should be in discipline, very disciplined. Students should focus on educational life. Students should focus on educational life. Next thing is, students should be perfect the systematical reading. Why friends? These are tuition main concept, because of in our life, starting point, ending point, and after completion of the education, what should become in our life. We have to know as a human being, because of that is the meaningful of life. If you completed the 4 years course, BTech or diploma or biomedical or 1 to 10th class, whatever things, if you do not have any proper destination target, you cannot reach your target and no use at all if you complete the graduation also. Yes. So for this purpose, in my tuition, what happens? Students should be perfect the systematical reading. See, whatever all things I prepared, all things I am going to explain all these one by one, because of so many things lot in our mind. So we cannot present this at a time. Yes friends. So for that purpose, I decided to give you in this way. Okay. Please try to listen. Very important, and don't skip the video. Every minute is very important friends. Okay. Let me explain tutorials main concept. Next point is, students should create the individual attitude to study the subjects. Yes. So these are most important. See, as a good student, as a successful person in the human being in this competitive society, so for those persons who follow these things, definitely they will become a good position. Yes, no more discussion. Only come to the point and try to understand what I'm saying and focus on my words. Yes. And one more thing is, should pass and get the merits in all subjects in their classes. Main concept is these are things. Okay. Next, one more thing is, students should able to find the questions to answers in all lessons in every subjects. Provide the multiple way tips to read the topics in all subjects. See, everything I am reading all things because of I want to hear all things. Okay, because of I want to give the information about the Deepanjali tutorials. So Deepanjali tutorials, because of what we have education. Only we are trying to educate the all students, because of upcoming generations should be good. Provide the multiple way tips to read the topics in all subjects and exams purpose, proper way to read, make it perfect. So these are most important, very important, friends. Yes, parents and students, and listen carefully who are present running our tuition. It's very useful. Please utilize in your way, and we are here to support you all. We have staff 3 members and well qualified and well intelligent and well experienced persons. Yes, thank you so much. How to complete the homework and finish all. These are basic things. See, these are all basic things in Dipanjali tutorials. This is unique tuition. Definitely, I am going to say this is the best tuition because of what I got in my life. So today I am reading senior Bible in Hobbits. So that is the inspiration to all the students because of already I done in my career and settled in my career, and today I am going to higher standards and everything, all things. That's why today I am going to give you explanation about the Dipanjali tutorials. Okay. Next one is success and key. Tuition powerful intention. What is the tuition powerful intention of the Dipanjali tutorials? Let me say. Okay, friends. Yes. First one is students should qualify in the competitive society. Understand, friends? Come to the point. Student should complete the qualification and should be qualified in the competitive society. See, many students completed the graduation, many people are completed the graduation, and even they cannot able to speak in own languages and they cannot able to read all things. So that is very bad. Okay. So for that purpose, any student, if he is not getting, if one student if not getting 100 marks, but he should be qualified in the competitive society. At least listening, speaking, reading, writing skills are most important to every student, every human being. At least after only 1 to 10th is the only considering, oh, you have capability, LSR, W skills, listening, speaking, reading, writing, these skills, okay. Only consider purpose, these are connecting, these are 1 to 10th class, all basic subjects. After completion of the education, that is another field, another way, one of the turning point of our life. So that's why you have to focus all things, friends. So these are things. Whoever want to start the tuition and whoever want to educate their children, understand. So those people, definitely it will be useful, friends. Okay, tuition. Sometimes if you are as a parents, if you are a good person, if you are a good qualified person, don't need to give the tuition because of because already you succeed in your life. So maximum you may capability in about your children. Yes or no? Yes. So, but this is very helpful, I hope. Okay. Please listen my words and whatever things try to implement in your life. Okay. First thing is tuition main concept is completed. Next, tuition powerful intention. Okay. Next, tuition powerful intention. What is, friends? Yes, let me say, repeat again, okay? Next one, students should be qualified in the competitive society. First target is qualify. Next, you have to prove many things, okay? Next, rights, rules and regulations, okay? This is my first intro about the Dipanjali tutorials bright future, okay? Please listen to carefully. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity to give this much information about the tuition. And because of today, I am ready to give very information because I am very happy. Today, I am very capable to give all things because of many people have believed me. Yes, sir, you can do it, sir. Please. Many people are saying. So for that people, I am ready to give all information. Yes. Next, let me read. Students, rules, regulations and rights, rules and regulations. Okay. Because of one systematic education, so these are most important because of children are doing many mistakes, whatever things. So we have to rectify all things. We have to give the good advices. Yes or no? Yes. So next, first one thing is students should be in punctuality. Punctuality most important for everyone, not only students. As a human persons, for everyone, punctuality is most important. And students should be in regularity when come to the tuition. Because of if you come to the tuition regularly, then you will get the more information. Then you will not miss the valuable information from the teachers. Yes or no? Yes. Next, students should be in good behavior. Good behavior is most important, friends. Very most important. See, today I completed graduation, double graduation, post graduation, biomedical engineering. So if I am not behaving well, and that is good. You will get it. Nobody give the respect. Without respecting, if you are earning also, no use at all. Because we have to live in the society, so we have to follow the instructions from the society, or we have to be inspirative to the society. Yes or no? Yes. Next one. Students should be in good dressing. Students should be groomed well. Students should not allow going out several times during tuition hours. These are most important. Yes or no? Yes. The students should be complete the given homeworks. Whatever teachers are given to the tuition to the student, homeworks should be finished by the student. Yes or no? Yes. Next, students should be complete the given homeworks. Next, students should not discuss with not relevant topics or to the tuition hours. This is most important because of you come to the tuition, so you should utilize the tuition because of 1 hour, 2 hours, depend on your tuition timings. So definitely you should utilize and you should be disciplined. Then only you will get the information from the teachers. Yes or no? Yes. So friendly I am saying friends, okay. I hope you can understand my words. If you have any doubt, just ask me in comments. Everything because of I started the any YouTube channel only education purpose because of I love the education. I love the education people. I love the education society. I love the educated peoples, and I love to educate the who are uneducated peoples. Because of today I am qualified. So as like me, many students should come because of every talents are there. Yes, and see here, students if not learn questions to answers in all lessons in every subject, the tutor will give punishment and each question and answers 50 times should give write in rough and books same day and next day need to hand over to tutor. See, many people are getting fear because of punishment. Punishment is the very dangerous word. No. See here, you are only learner. So you come here only for learn the subjects and to build improve your skills. That's why you come to the tuition. So you can ask anytime. You can ask any doubts. But before ask any doubts, you have to be disciplined, you have to maintain dignity, you have to punctuality. So these all things if you maintain, then nobody scold you. Yes, tell me. So teacher will ask you like that. Okay? My dear students, listen to carefully. Okay, right. And tuition timings. Here tuition timings, as we were discussed with parents, based on that tuition hours are available. See, here in Deepanjan tutorials, Bright Future, in this tuition, timings are depend on our parents because of some students are coming 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, some students 1 o'clock, some students 4 o'clock. So based on classes, different schools punctualities are there. So it is applicable themselves because of I live themselves only. Okay. So you have to think, you have to pack up all things like this. Okay. Next, tuition activities. I hope you can understand, friends. Are you with me? Yes. Let me continue. Yes. So I hope what you are expecting from me. So definitely I will give you information now. I think okay. Next one. What are tuition activities? See, I given my children to you your tuition. Already 1 hour completed. Whatever what you are going to ready the things. So somebody asks you. Understand? So if I give you 1 hour, what you are going to do? Can you explain? For that people's, for that person's, student activities also should be there, friends. Because of if many students are there, then you cannot control one person more than 2-3 persons. But if you maintain systematical life, if you maintain good education, if you maintain discipline, so 100 students also we can manage all things within 3 steps. So everything systematically. Okay. Next, step 1. The teacher should ask to student whatever topics taught by different subjects, others in different classes in schools. Step 1 is students should ask teacher also because when come to the tuition student, then teacher definitely should ask to the teacher, and teacher also ask to the student whatever done topic taught by different subjects teacher in different classes. Because so we have to get the information from the student. And the second step is students should raise the doubts about all subjects in front of teacher and get clarified the doubts by taking solutions from the teachers. So, if you maintain systematical life, then definitely it will come easily, friends. Because of you will have to attend the exam next month. So, before 1 month, you have to be alert. You have to get the ask. You have to collect all information. and stand in front of the teacher. Sir, I have this one, this one, this one. Please make it clear because of I have to attend exams coming soon. Please, whatever you have to ask like that as a student. And step 3, students should read, understand and write, practice the questions and answers, learn then able to give answers to questions if others ask to students whatever topics done in school same day. Understand friends? So these are the step 3. Okay. Step 3. Step 4, students should revise the topics yesterday, complete topics. Whatever done yesterday also you have to revise all things because of see, we are human beings. So many per day many activities will be done by us. Many things, multiple activities which is educated, non-educated, other activities, many things we are facing. So remembering that it is complicated to us. So for that purpose we have to revise same day, whatever done before, whatever done after. So all things we have to revise. Okay. Next, every subject will be verified by tuition teacher. So all things done or not, but should be verified by the teachers only. Okay. In tuition, whatever not getting from the school directly, whatever not comfortable discuss with teachers, that remaining topics should be cleared by the tuition teacher because the tuition teacher will take care about you personally. Individually, each person to each person. For that purpose, I created many files, friends, parents, students, and my dear watchers. Okay. Step 6, verification and interaction between students and teachers to make it verification better than now. So these are all things. See, if you speak all things before, if anyone want to come to the tuition, so before 1 hour meeting will be held and everything going to explain all things to the parents and students. If they are agreed to or implement all things and if they are able to support all things, then definitely we will give the appointment to joining. Okay, joining process, whatever thing joining process so available. So in this way, next tuition fees are there. Tuition fees because of without paying anything, nothing will come. Understand? Nowadays come to society. So as we were discussed with parents, fixed fees and monthly should pay without postpone or procrastination methods. So whatever features we are providing just is very cheap and best because of education nowadays. Education is very competitive and very important. Whoever not getting that much information through myself and with the Deepan tutorials, we want to provide all things with less price. Yes or no? Because of education is very valuable. If you give the education, if you share the education, they will get more information and I am also going to improve myself. Yes or no? Because of I want to educate myself. I love the education. I love to give the education. I love to share the education. Yes or no? I am your Ganesh, Senior Biomedical Engineer, present. I am Deepan Tutorials MD. Next thing is, see here. Features are especially depends upon syllabus, CBSE, SEBA and KVCRP 1 to 30 days and 1 to 15 days same and 1 to 7 days same and 1 to 3 days no need to pay single rupee also. Yes, and one more thing, before start the tuition, parents meeting fees can be bargained plus or minus able with reasonable price. Everything depends upon the financial condition of the family. See here, all are not rich peoples, all are not poor peoples. Yes or no? So whoever want to, sir, I want to become a good education, sir. I want to become a good position, sir. This type of peoples are all maximum all peoples are like this only. So sometimes some situations are different situations, different background level, very less peoples, and they are very complicated situations they face in their life. So whenever I heard that time, oh no, I should help, I should make help. So that type of mind created in my mind. So that's why okay, today whatever God given me and many people have given me, supported me, that is enough to me. Yes or no? So if I share my knowledge, nothing will be lost. Again we will improve ourselves. Yes or no? So yes. Let me explain. Next thing. Tuition leave details, friends. Okay. Before 1 day should inform to the tutors by verbal communication and before 1 day should submit to the tutors by written communication and parents and students signatures are mandatory. If not signed then leaves might be cancelled. See everywhere I am going to give the systematical life. Because of every moment we have to maintain good dignity and discipline. Yes. Because of today if somewhere compromise, then it will be reflected in your life and become influence you. Okay. Next. Let me explain. Next. Leave applications should be neat and fine paper, especially good writing, and then our marks will be provided by the tutors. And if you do not know how to write the leave applications, then you should ask to teachers and get the information. Before take the leaves, you have to give the information about the tuition. Sir, today I will not come. Today, tomorrow I will not come because of I will go to there somewhere. So minimum 3 lines you have to mention and you have to give the information before leaving the tuition. Before taking the leave, you have to give the information because of that is going to represents your discipline. Understand? If parents are busy, then students should be alert. If students have not awareness on this, then parents should be awareness and should make them like that. Okay? We have to teach the students. We are here, parents, teachers, here to guide the and to provide the good education to the students. Yes or no? Yes. Tuition, student punishment. So tuition punishments are there. So different. These are silly things. Punishment, not a torture type, not a this type. These are only for to awareness the student, not for because of see punishments are applicable to the students mandatory. Punishment is most important because of if we do the mistake. So when I was childhood time, I am also done mistakes. So many people are done the mistakes and we have to realize. Because of if teacher will not beat us, who will beat us? If others beat you, that is not meaningful. If teacher beat you, something reason is there. Few reasons are there. Okay, so we have to analyze all like that only. Next, after approved by the parents guardians, if any punishment want to give, then we are in Deepan tutorials we are fixed. We are not giving any punishment to any students. Yes or no? Yes, because of punishment is not a ending point. Because of only we have to give the proper education and explanation to the student. If student will not listen, then we have to be patient as a teacher. If you give the proper explanation, definitely any student will be attracted to you. My opinion. Okay. Next thing is, see here, the students do the things and do not do things. Students, see here, we are most important. So all activities, one by one content I provided, all things. This content is dedicated to what? Deepan tutorials, bright future, my channel, introduction about the Deepan tutorials. I am giving introduction about myself also, and at the end of the day, Deepan tutorials how started, what are the rules and regulations and the main concept, what are the things available, everything I am going to explain all things. And see, and come to the point. First thing is, till now I discussed many things, but as most thing is student. We have to interact with student. That is most important. Even parents also should interact with the children. If not interact with children, then we cannot get the information properly from the students. So if we get the proper information, then students, definitely student will be active. So we can teach easily, yes or no? So for that purpose, I prepared many files here, like this. So nearly 10 files for making a small institute like that, but I don't want to create the institute because of my aim is I want to become a specialist of biomedical engineering. So I reached successfully. Just good education I want to provide. Understand? With the recommendation from the parents, teachers. So that's why I am giving whenever I free. That time I participate in this Deepan tutorials. Maximum my madam, Miss Deepan tutorial, Miss Deepanjali Devi. She is my missus. So very talented person and very nice and very writing everything. Every talent is there. So that much talent should share to all students. So that's why we decided, and many parents guided. Okay, let me explain what are the files we have. Okay, next one by one. First thing is see here, Deepanjali tutorials bright future. So first one is which one? Monthly diary. And in tuition we are maintaining diary also. See here. Understand? See, monthly diary also. Diary means because of in school time also we are maintaining, we know very well. Okay, diary is the most important. Diary is one of the tracking the information and well and good communication with teachers and parents and students. So whatever done, daily activities, today done. Okay, tomorrow you should finish the work. And then yesterday already explained. If you explained also, that is everything will proof, will clarity come to you. So student may not escape from our circle. Yes or no? Because of we cannot beat everything, we cannot do the punishment all time. Because of punishment is not correct. Proper solution is most important. Yes or no? Yes. For that purpose, one diary also I prepared all things. Understand? So one diary prepare was this every day, 30 days, monthly 30 days. Some students 30 days coming, some students alternate days coming, some students 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, some days. So depend on their comfortable. Yes or no? So for that purpose, every day I have to mention date and parent sign and teacher sign and student sign. So all things are available. Yes or no? And monthly, this one is parents meeting file. Understand? Parents meeting file. So parents meeting file, how we collected, see here. So parents meeting like this, like this. We make list all things, 30 students all things. See here, you can see here. See. So everything I prepared all things like a office. Office means if you maintain a discipline, if you are a discipline, then we can educate the students. If you are not maintaining discipline, how can we educate the other peoples? Yes or no? As a human being, we have to provide the good education. Sometimes if you know all things, because of one human not appreciated by all things at a time. So we have to practice all things, we have to learn all things, and we have to practice. We have to get all things and try to implement in our day-to-day life. Yes or no? Yes. And this one is meeting file. Meeting file. So meeting time also attendance also will be there. See, diary also here. And every day we cannot tracking the students. Each person. If you are having a many lot of students. Yes or no? So if a lot of students, what will happen? So they will make disturbance. Many things are explaining. And within less time we have to give the valid information and every students. Because of their parents are believed very hard and they given us. So we have to give the proper information within time. Because of before joining the tuition, we make all things. Yes or no? Yes. So in this daily student come or not like here. So I think you cannot visible now here in this video. But what I am saying, just try to listen. You can implement in your life. Okay. Who can implement? Parents and whoever want to start the tuition. Okay. Next, this is attendance register. I hope when I compare to competition, then definitely schools also it will be get out this system. Okay. So in here 30 days and in time, out time. So all things we mention here, and student wise we make a data. All things. So because of why I am saying this one, because of many teachers and many students are asking, and many parents also may get asked because of, sir, this much students you have, how can you deal all things, how can you explain all things? So that time one teacher quality will less, gurutva, okay? Gurutva it will become less, so my student will be get down, so my children will be get down, so it will not useful. So those type of persons they are there. So for that people it will be very good. But especially in this system, education system, this is the most important because of these are files most important because of this is the systematical way. We are not tracking all things. We are only tracking the system, and we are trying to implement the all systems, and we have to make it correct to all students as a data. This is one file. Okay. And one more thing is, let me finish, friends, because of lot of time I am taking now. So, but these are most important information video because of this is my first introduction, and because of everybody watching my videos, and 30 students and parents and students and many things, and I hope new students will also come and going to start the small tuition computer coaching, and now we are giving the tuition 1 to 10th class CBSE, SEBA, KV, CRP. So all types of, because of I studied in the CBSE, so maximum all capable, and my madam also all capable. So my multiple languages she knows very well, and she can do multiple activities. Yes. Okay. Whoever will come to the tuition, then definitely will get the proper information about the Deepanjan Tutorials bright future. Yes. Okay. Let me explain one more thing, friends. And see here, this one. This one is Deepanjan Tutorials bright future. This one, monthly maintenance performance reports, because of monthly performance also most important. And many students, many tuitions, they are not asking all things because of they want only money. They want to take price all things and just give the information and teachers, and 1 hour completed, just go, your time is over. But they are not focused on this because of they want to survive their life. Few people are there. But I want to, I don't need to survive my life because of already I will settle in biomedical engineering field. Whatever I am getting in from my field, my job, so everything is well satisfied. So these are my self-satisfaction purpose. I started the tuition and I want to give the information. And at the same time, many audience also coming. So that's why they are encouraging me in that way. That's why today I am going to all things, and today I created the YouTube channel, Deepan Tutorials Bright Futures. It is very very useful because of upcoming days many videos we will upload, and very valuable videos we will upload, and teaching applied pronunciations and meanings and grammatical things and all things, whatever subjects, all things basic we are going to try to upload the videos in upcoming days from day to day. Today we start all the videos. I hope you can understand my words, friends. And if anything, if any doubts, just give me in comments. I am ready to give the reply on your questions. Okay. Okay. Next, performance we'll see here, friends. It's most important. This is also monthly performance we'll see. Lot of student wise, like this. See here. Student. Each student 1 file like that. So 30 students also like this. So in this way, what we let me explain one thing. See here. Okay. In this monthly performance report, we are taking from the teachers and students. I am the MD from Deepan Tutorials Bright Future, and my staff also there, my madam, and one is Mr. Jyotishman. He is also become a BSc IT student, so he is also well educated person. So I am very happy to have these staff in my tuition. So monthly we are going to take the performance report. At the end of the day, we are conducting parents meeting from the along with the students and parents, because of most important interaction is parents, teachers and students. These are most important because of these are the target points. Yes or no? Yes. So in this timings, how is this? Tuition timings are good or not? We are asking. Next, attendance register. Are you feel good with attendance register? Daily coming in time, out time, or is fine? We are going to asking. So they will give excellent, best, good, better, justify here. So all things every parents have to give the explain. So all like this 1 year to successfully, and they are giving all things. We are very happy to share this information. Yes, friends. Because of see this video, if whoever come to the tuition newly joining, so if they watch this video, definitely they will get information. And I hope, because of see every time before joining student, definitely it is mandatory before starting tuition that parent and new student should attend the meeting and fulfill the meeting, because whatever the rules are most important. If not follow the instructions, they will not capable. They will not permit to attend the tuition. Okay. Because of good education is most important. Why we are here? Because we are providing the good education. So if you do your wish, then what is the use of all things? Yes or no? If you know all things, then no need anything. No need to go anywhere. If you don't know something, then we have to compromise few things, and we have to understand all things, and we have to give the respect to the teacher. If you are a well person also, if you are a well educated person also, because of already well person, definitely he can approach to the well person only, good person only. Yes or no? So students are very learning stage. They don't know. They do not have great experience in their life. So for that purpose, we are here to support with peoples. Yes or no? Yes. I am your Ganesh. Okay. Always support to you. If whoever want to study all things, my student, tuition to student, even night time also we will support. We will guide them. Because of we love the education, we love to save the education. Yes? Yes, let me explain. So okay, come to the point. So in performance, rules and regulations and daily maintenance, teaching skills, subject skills. See, this much list nobody give. Yes or no? But before start the tuition, we are already give the challenge to the tuition. Yes, we have this one, and this one. Like this all things, yes or no? So why we are giving? Because we have talent, whatever we have experience and proved in our society, and we are managing team, biomedical engineering team, and many people are there surrounding us. Why? Because we settled in and we are capable to do all things. Yes or no? So that's why this education system is most important. Whatever I am explaining all things to you, see here. So friendly nature. Let me explain first of all one by one. Timings, attendance register, rules and regulation, diary maintenance, teaching skills, subject skills, attitude skills, regional placements, education system, explain nature, friendly nature, punctuality. Understand? Nearly 20 topics we are taking from the students and teachers at the end of the month, every month. That's why our success is this one, because of we are giving the systematical education, basic education. See, basic education every teacher can give. Okay, I am only giving. I am not saying like that, because of everybody can give. But one systematical way, practical way, we have to prove yourself, and we have to explain. You have to speak all things. Because of see, LSA listening, speaking, reading, writing skills, all things you have to know. If you are well in all topics, then student will approach and student will become higher than you. Yes or no? Yes. For that purpose, see here. Qualified tutors take the responsibility, scope, bright future, good basic subjects, homework, certification, systematic reading, and exam preparation method. Next, prayer, start snacks. In this tuition, snacks are available. Because of snacks, they are not asking, nobody asking, but our happiness. Because of what we are doing, we are very happy. Because of if a student getting good marks, okay, he is getting 20 out of 20, he is getting 100 of 100. Yes, that is very happy teachers. That's purpose. Every Saturday we are providing snacks also, only for refresh the mind and communicating with the students, interaction. Because of student children's activities are very childish, so because of we brought from here there only, but that's why we have to go in that way only. Then only we can get the information about the student and we can improve ourselves. Yes, friends. So till now I am giving more and more information, friends. Let's come cheerful. Okay, come we talk freely, and in this video and many these are things also available, and agreement also available, every student wise, everything like 10 files, nearly 10 to 15 files I think in my tuition Deepan tutorials. So pin to pin all things you provided here. See, the some people, so whatever other in other way, some people thinking, oh tuition, why we are doing this much things? We are paying 1 lakh, 2 lakhs schools. They are not giving this much information. But you are giving very too much information. Very useful. Yes. But some people, but Mr. Ganesh, see, this is the Ganesh attitude and behavior and nature. Yes, definitely we should be like that. We should make it. And we should achieve the things. Because of education is the most important and basic thing to get success in our life. Yes or no? My dear parents, my advice is, please listen carefully, okay? If you give the lot of things, children will not change. If you give the education, and at the end of the day, you will get all things, and he will take care of you. They will take care of you. She will take care of you. Okay? Today I am taking care about my parents because of they are giving good education. That's why today I am leading all things, and today I am capable to give this much information. Who I am? Educated person in the society. Yes? Yes. Let me explain final thing, okay? And student information file. Because of see, let me explain. Continuation speaking means don't feel bad, okay? Today I fixed, okay, I should give the very valuable information to all the students. That's why today night time also, today morning of today Sunday, and I have to be free. But every time is most important, and every time is very valuable. I give the respect to all people. Before I give respect myself, because of self-respect is most important to everyone. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Okay. In my Deepan tutorial system, see here, like student file, like this data we maintain like this. Okay. Like these are one by one students list, and student wise we will collect the one form. Already I said you joining process. These all things see here. Photo will take, and all details, all information, student name, class, section, and father's name and mother's name, occupation, and mail ID. So these are things why we are taking, friends, because of at any situation good communication purpose with parents and students. Because of if students will come to the tuition, then our responsibility, teacher responsibility, tuition hours. So that's responsibility we are going to take. We are ready to take. Although we are taken, so many students, many parents also they are believing, okay, this is the good tuition. We are very happy, and already few students continue 1 year completed successfully. Still they are happy. Still they want to continue the tuition. Okay, tuition means what? Yeah, nothing. Not a 1 hour sitting and 1 hour 2 hours sitting and go, come and go. Just we have to get the information from the well settled and well experienced person. Because today I am a biomedical engineer, senior biomedical engineer. For this position, getting purpose, I tried many things. I tried a lot of things. I tried many efforts. Today I am getting. So all our experiences, life, all things. Just if I give the student, then they can build from ground level automatically experience knowledge will get it, and automatically what will happen? They will improve more than that. Understand or not? Because of see for everyone, every student back well base important. Basement is important. If you construct the house, base is important. If base is good, then automatically if you construct first floor, second floor, third floor, all things, it will be good. Yes or no? So in that way only, I am going to collect all things with data. If student join the tuition from starting to ending till ending, every data, every pin-to-pin data we recorded and collected. Only for improvisation, because of before joining the student, how his condition, how her condition. After 1 year, how his condition, how her conditions. Because the improvisation is most important. If you are not trying to improvisation, what is the use of coming to the tuition? Yes or no? So, especially in these things, what happening? So, students, parents, and most 50% is students' responsibility. Yes or no? Yes. Because of see, teacher going to already explain. So, whatever doubts students getting, that is only explained. Whatever done the things, activities, all things should be practiced by the student. Yes or no? Because of some parents, I given a lot of fees. So teachers, all things. Why my student not getting good marks? Simply asking, simply throwing ourselves. But that is not a proper way. Because of see, in school also, at school they are paying lakhs of money, but nobody asks at schools, because of lot of people are there and other students getting good marks, but your children not getting. Whose mistake? Simply they are asking and just leave it. Then they will get shame. But in tuition we are not giving that much chance. We will give full opportunity to ask anything. Yes, okay. If your children not getting, ask me. I will follow all things, and every minute we are following. Every minute we are giving homeworks. All things. Yes or no? So every day homework and we are catching all things and these all things. Yes or no? So in these all things we are going to explain systematically. Yes, I hope you can understand, my friends. Yes, thank you so much for supporting me, and I am very happy. I hope you all things very take it easily, okay, and try to understand whatever things, these all things, because of tuition is basic education is the most important, and these all things, these files are important. Okay, so at the finally, ultimately, I want to close this video. My advice: please try to understand my words and keep watch my channel and subscribe my channel and utilize my channel. And whoever come to the tuition and punctuality maintaining all thing, everything is fine. And I hope definitely all students should be good, because of Deepanjali tutorials means students should have a bright future. Maybe he will not get, few people is not getting full marks, 100 out of 100. At least he should be qualified in the competitive society. Yes, with me. Thank you so much, friends. Have a bright future.